Braxton started to whir his wheels again.
Oh, boy!
Then he stopped.
What was that, Peter-san?
High above in the quarry, a giant keystone in Blondin Bridge had come loose.
Fenders and fireboxes! London Bridge isn't safe!
Oh, Linnaeus is on his way down from the upper terrace. He'll have to cross the bridge with heavy cars. We must warn him. Sound the alarm.
All the engines were suddenly still. All the engines were hushed. All the engines watched. Linnaeus heard the siren.
Oh, no. There must be danger.
But he didn't know why the siren was sounding.
There he is!
Until it was too late.
Stop! Stop!
Linnaeus tried to stop,
London Bridge is falling down!
but his heavy cars pushed him on, right onto the damaged bridge. Linnaeus pumped his pistons as never before. He had to puff across before the bridge collapsed.
I wonder if someone could help me. Maybe? Please? Ow.